In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Windsurf in VS Code. To do that, first head over right here into your left sidebar and you can see right here extensions. Make sure to open this in order to see the extensions that you have available. Under this case, proceed to search right here for Windsurf. So let's search for it, ensure that there's no typo. And once you have done this, it will load for a while in order to locate the app that you're looking for. Here we can find Windsurf. Head over and click onto this install option. Click on trust and trust right here. Then after that, this will install the actual Windsurf onto your VS Code. Once it's done installing, you can proceed to actually use this by creating a code and then also utilizing it once it's ready. So you can head over and open a file and then use it to actually help you with the coding on VS Code. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.